Hello, so I found some recipes for scallop squash, so let me show you. You'll hear the water in the background. I'm washing dishes. So I scooped out the middle, put some oil on it, seasoned it, and then I chopped up the middle and put it back in there because I don't like to waste food. This is some spaghetti sauce. I have the oven set at 375. Some recipes said 350, some said 400, so I'm doing it at 375. I'm going to cook it for about 30 minutes. If I don't think it's done, then I'll keep it in there longer. This is for Meatless Monday. So we're going to try it. If I don't like it, I got my lettuce in the refrigerator. I'll make me a Caesar salad. Okay, here we go. So 10 more minutes to go, and the outside is still really tough. I'm gonna leave it on for, so 10 minutes to go, another 20 minutes, that'll be 50 minutes. And then when I have just 10 minutes left, I'm gonna put some cheese on top and let the cheese melt. But yeah, it needs to stay in there longer. Okay, so I'm finally finished. That was an hour. That was an hour. So I put the cheese on in the last 5 minutes and let it finish baking. Now I'm gonna cut a piece and try it. So, wait a minute, sorry. I got my tea sitting here in case I don't like it. And I got a work meeting at 2. It's now 1:40. So it's nice and tender. Get a little sauce, get a little cheese, still hot. Let's see. That's good. I saw another recipe where somebody had a spiral machine and they spiraled it, and gonna use it as like spaghetti. So pretty decent. Thumbs up. All right, that's it. I'm heading back to work. Bye.